Okay, so I've been waiting here for quite a while, and if you listen quietly, you can hear my Reecom on the other side. I typically wait out here for the weekly test, but cat. There appears to not be a weekly test today.
South Craney Island, air temperature was 65. The wind was north at 10 knots.
As you can see, there's no advisory light flashing. You head up here, nothing going on up here either. No advisory light or anything.
Low
Oh, here we go. Weekly test. They did it quite late today. I'm gonna cover up my ears. Is it gonna go off or what?
This has been a test of the NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Alarm System.
This didn't go off.
NOAA National Weather Service normally conducts this test every between 11:30 a.m. and noon.
What about up here? This didn't go off either. Neither of my radios received it.
Ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order.
That is weird.